Under RMM, Missing Patches, the list of patches to be updated on monitored devices can be checked. To obtain the list of available updates, it is necessary to activate the functionality in Devices Activation on the PCs of interest. In Missing Patches, Manage Activities Policies, it is also possible to activate automatic Windows updates without the need to remotely connect to individual devices. This can be achieved by creating a new policy with the option, Update Windows Automatically. To apply automatic updates to all newly activated PCs, the standard policy can be changed directly. In this case, you can create a policy without the update option, to exclude only specific devices. Devices can be assigned to or removed from each policy by clicking on the computer icon.